The subfunction step is used to call or execute a function within another function. The subfunction step can be configured to call a specific function and can also capture the output from that function to use in the current workflow. When you drag this function step to the canvas, you will get the Properties panel on the right side. In Function dropdown, you can select an appropriate function. Parameters: if the selected function in the dropdown has any defined input parameters, an input field called value will appear for each parameter. The parameter used in the selected function will also be visible just above the value field to verify before providing input. If the selected function has no parameters, you will see a message indicating the selected function has no parameters associated with it. In Output Variable field, you can save the output of the subfunction step to a variable, which can be used in the succeeding steps of the function workflow. Output variables are used to capture and store the results or values generated by a function during its execution. Suppose you have a workflow where you need to fetch player details from a function named getPlayer and print player details when user previews the application. In such case, we need to use the subfunction step. To do so, drag and drop this step to the canvas. Properties panel open on right side. In Function dropdown, select the function name as getPlayer. In the Output Variable field, enter $result, where result is the output returned by the getPlayer function. After fetching the record, we can print the player details using debugger log step. Drag and drop this step and place it next to subfunction step. Then save changes by selecting Save Changes option from the File menu. This is how you can configure and use subfunction step.